Before we delve in, don't forget to click on the link provided in the description box below to purchase your very own Monogram pillow. Now, are you aware of the most recent home decor craze that's making waves worldwide? This is no ordinary trend, it's the fascinating art of Monogram pillows. Each of these pillows are not just typical, they are meticulously hand-embroidered, highly personalized, and crafted with an extraordinary amount of love and acute attention to detail. Picture this. A velvet cushion, available in enticing shades like maroon or deep red, carefully hand-embroidered with your initials or perhaps a special date. It's an item that brings a touch of elegance and personalization to any living space. It's not just about the aesthetics either, it's about making a statement, about owning your space. The beauty of this trend is that it's customizable. You have the freedom to choose what your monogram will be. It could be anything from your initials to a significant date, or even a favorite quote. But what makes these Monogram pillows truly stand out is the craftsmanship. Each one is hand-embroidered, a labor of love that ensures every pillow is unique. It's a small touch, but one that elevates these pillows from everyday items to pieces of art. These pillows aren't just for show either, they're practical too. The velvet material is soft to the touch, making them perfect for a cozy evening on the couch. And if you're worried about the upkeep, don't be. These pillow covers are crafted with care and attention to detail, ensuring they can stand up to daily use. Now, if you're thinking these pillows sound like a luxury item, you'd be right. But they're a luxury that's surprisingly affordable. In fact, you can snag one of these beautiful, personalized pillows for less than the cost of a night out. So there you have it. The Monogram pillow trend is a fusion of style, personalization, and quality craftsmanship. It's a trend that allows you to express your personal style and bring a touch of luxury into your everyday life. Whether you're a home decor enthusiast or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this is a trend you won't want to miss. In summary, Monogram pillows are the latest trend in home decor. They're personalized, hand-embroidered, and from quality materials. They're a statement piece that brings a touch of elegance and luxury to any living space. And best of all, they're a trend that's accessible to everyone. So why not add a touch of personalization to your home with a Monogram pillow? Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your own.